The Holden Kingswood, presented here in a stunning glossy metallic white finish, stands as one of the most iconic classic sedans in Australian motoring history, and today we explore it in detail from every possible angle inside a modern bright white showroom, where the lighting, reflections, and environment have been designed to highlight its timeless design and craftsmanship, beginning with the commanding front view where the bold chrome grille sits proudly at the center, flanked by twin round headlights that exude both vintage charm and strength, and a subtle chrome bumper below completes the robust stance, while the number plate bearing Holden Kingswood identifies this machine with authenticity. And as we move to the front three-quarter perspective, the car reveals smooth body lines flowing from the hood to the side panels, demonstrating the craftsmanship of its era, while reflections from the showroom lights bounce off the glossy paint, enhancing every contour of its surface. From this angle we also appreciate the proportions of the sedan body, with a long bonnet, balanced cabin, and extended rear that collectively deliver both elegance and functionality. Shifting to a full side profile, we see the design in perfect symmetry. The chrome trim running along the doors emphasizes length, the door handles glisten under the lights, and the wheels with polished rims anchor the stance with purpose, while the subtle curvature of the roofline adds grace to its otherwise bold presence. As we come to the rear three-quarter view, the Kingswood continues to impress with classic tail lights enclosed in chrome, a solid trunk lid with fine detailing, and the number plate positioned centrally between the lamps, while the bumper mirrors the design cues of the front with polished chrome that reflects the showroom lights. Moving directly to the rear, we notice the sedan's stability and strength, the wide stance emphasized by the glowing tail lights and clean lines of the boot. And the glossy white paint finish keeps the vintage silhouette looking refreshed and almost modern under the showroom environment. Shifting our focus upward to the roofline and top-down perspective, the balance of design is further revealed. The bonnet, windshield, and rear window aligned perfectly in proportion, showcasing why the Kingswood remains admired decades later. Opening the doors, we enter the cabin where the black leather interior adds a sense of luxury and strength. The dashboard spreads out with chrome-trimmed dials and simple yet elegant switches, and the wide seats emphasize comfort and durability. From the driver's seat perspective, the Holden steering wheel becomes the star, finished in black leather with chrome details and the Holden logo at its core, the dials behind it glowing softly with classic gauge styling, reminding us of a time when driving was a purer experience. Leaning closer to the dashboard, we see every dial and meter designed with precision, the speedometer, odometer, and fuel gauges standing clear with vintage elegance. And moving to the passenger side of the cabin, the attention to detail continues with black leather seating, chrome handles, and fine stitching adding subtle sophistication. Shifting our attention to the rear seat interior, the Kingswood offers a wide comfortable bench finished in black leather with visible stitching, headrests, and seat belts integrated seamlessly, giving passengers both comfort and security. The stitching detail and leather texture emphasize quality, making the back row feel as premium as the front. Stepping out, we open the hood to reveal the engine bay, a mechanical heart presented with raw authenticity, chrome details shimmering under the showroom lighting and mechanical components laid out with clarity. Each element of the engine bay reminds us of the robust engineering that made Holden a household name. Next, the close-up of the wheels and rims showcases polished alloys that shine under showroom light, with tires carrying bold sidewalls that add strength to the overall stance. The tread patterns highlighted in macro detail demonstrate durability and road readiness, while the reflection of the body on the rim further enhances the realism. Moving back to the front of the car, the headlights themselves deserve focus, with their classic round shape and chrome frames offering both beauty and functionality, a timeless reminder of design simplicity. Similarly, the tail lights impress with their red glass textures and chrome outlines, glowing subtly in the controlled lighting of the showroom. Moving under the car, we glimpse the underbody, a view of suspension, exhaust, and chassis details, capturing the engineering depth that supports the smooth exterior design. Returning inside, we shift attention to the gear shifter and central console, where chrome accents, black trim, and functional placement of controls highlight the balance between form and function, every detail telling a story of practicality and craftsmanship. And finally, we step back for a wide cinematic showroom shot where the Kingswood sits proudly in the center, surrounded by glossy white walls and reflective flooring, under bright LED lights, emphasizing the car as the centerpiece of attention. Here we see the car in its entirety, the glossy metallic white paint capturing light with perfection, the chrome accents shimmering, and the reflections across the body enhancing its timeless appeal. And as we conclude this in-depth journey through the Holden Kingswood from front to rear, inside and out, engine to underbody, steering to back seats, every detail has proven why this classic Australian sedan still holds its iconic place in automotive history, delivering a blend of heritage, elegance, and strength that continues to inspire admiration, making it more than just a car but a symbol of an era where design, comfort, and performance were crafted with lasting integrity. And in this showroom, under perfect lighting, the Holden Kingswood lives on as a masterpiece captured in 8K ultra-realism for generations to come.